how can we apply a filter on the column in Numbers for Mac? As you can see in this table, I got multiple items, but they're all split into just 3 categories. Can I hide certain categories in my table? To do that, we need to move from Format to Organize here at the top right corner. And I click Organize, I will have option to Add Filter. And now we got names of each column. So which column should I use to add filter? I will use this category column. And now I see they automatically detect I got 3 values here. There are 6 items in the first, 7 in the next, and 7 in the last one. And I can now switch off the visibility of fruits. And they kind of disappear from my table. They're hidden. They're still there, but they're simply hidden. All right. So we can apply quick filter like that here from the right menu, from the organized section, when we can switch off and on different options based on the category, that's column I select myself. All right. We can also design our own filters based on the numeric value or the text or the date or duration or cell. Cell is blank or no, it's duplicate. We can all set it up from here. We can create a custom filter. All right. So that's how you can do it. Or if you are already working on your table, you can right click on it and you have option for quick filters when you got this pop-up here next to it, and you can very quickly apply some filtering on it, just like that. Then of course you can right click once more, head to quick filter. As you can see, now hidden 1 value, so it's applied, it's showing us that something's going on here with filters, and we can click it again and show it again. And as you can see, in that case I cannot create more advanced filters. I can only filter through that column values, so we got only those 3 values. We cannot build a new filter based on the number or based on the cells titles and stuff like that. Okay, so for quick filters, just right click. If you want to build some more advanced filters, head to Organize menu here at the top right corner, when you can select the column, of course, and then you got additional options like you can set up some filtering rules based on the values. All right, I hope this was helpful. Remember, move from Format to Organize and you are good to go. Thank you for today. See you in the next tutorial.